Are you looking for ways to streamline your warehouse processes? A warehouse management system, WMS, is the ideal solution for helping you improve warehouse productivity and efficiency. A WMS helps you manage your warehouse operations from inventory to order fulfillment and shipping. It enables you to track the location of goods, manage stock levels, and ensure that all orders are fulfilled accurately and on time. The benefits of using a WMS are numerous. It allows you to manage orders more efficiently, reducing the time spent on manual processes and increasing the accuracy of orders. In addition, a WMS helps to reduce inventory costs by ensuring that stock levels are optimized. If you're looking for ways to improve your warehouse efficiency and maximize your profits, a WMS is the perfect solution. It helps to streamline warehouse processes and ensure that orders are fulfilled accurately and on time.